about feeding your chickens. In this video, we're going to talk about the best ways to feed your chicken right from your backyard without any seeds, without any extra investment, and it will be so much healthier for your chickens. Now, chickens, they are one of the most easiest farm animals to care for, and you can even keep them in your backyard. Not only are they great for their eggs, but they're also in their role in sustainable gardening. Instead of buying commercial feed, you can grow your own grains like corns, oats, and wheat. Alternatively, you can also give them table scraps, anything like potato peels, leftover vegetables, stale bread. These are tossed right into the chicken coop. Now, chicken eagerly recycle what would otherwise be waste into fresh eggs, and this is the best part. They also hunt for insects, naturally controlling pests in your garden. Now, as a fun fact, a single hen can lay up to 300 eggs a year, and that's a lot for breakfast. Now, when it comes to chickens, they are the garden sustainable snackers, and chickens thrive on a diet of naturally grown or organic grains, corns, oats, wheats. These grains provide the essential carbohydrates, proteins, and nutrients that keep them healthy and productive. And many people dedicate small portions of their land, if they're capable to growing these grains specifically for their flock. And this not only saves cost, but also ensures a consistent, high quality food source. Now, if this is a choice for you, let's just quickly talk about the process in brief. So after harvesting, grains are dried, they're stored in silos or bins to feed the chickens all year round. And people usually grind or crack the grains to make them easier for the chickens to digest, ensuring that they get the maximum nutritional benefits. Now, grains, why are they good? Because of their nutritional components. They are energy dense. They make it perfect for hens to digest and eat, and help them to formulate or help them in laying eggs in terms of the quality and the consistency as well. And also, chickens use grains for extra fuel to produce eggs consistently. Another thing that you can give chickens, which is really easy and simple, is table scraps. Now, this is a great recycling program, and table scraps, what they do is they play an important role in sustainable chicken feeding. You can use then again leftovers like potato peels, wilted carrots. You can also use wilted spinach or lettuce as well, carrot tops, stale bread. These all can be repurposed into chicken feed rather than being wasted, and they love the variety. Their digestive system is perfectly suited to handle these scraps. Now, in terms of scraps selection, please be mindful about what scraps you provide. Foods like citrus, onions, and overly salty or sugary foods, please avoid these because they're not ideal for chickens. Instead, focus on nutrient-rich vegetable scraps and occasional bits of breads or grains as well. Also, in terms of waste reduction, now by feeding or choosing to feed scraps to your chicken, you significantly reduce household waste. You create a closed loop system where nothing goes unused, and that's absolutely beautiful. Now, they are also amazing to help in controlling pests. Now, chickens, these are nature's pest controllers, hunting insects like beetles, grasshoppers, worms as well, and they're constantly scratching and pecking. Not only provides them with extra protein, but it also keeps the pest from invading crops. And this is amazing for your garden, so because you need to allow the chickens to roam in the garden areas during non-growing seasons, this actually keeps the soil aerated and pest populations in check as well. Also, in terms of how chickens are instinctively always on the search, looking out, seeking out bugs, making them really important for organic pest management as well. And free range is another key aspect of sustainable chicken farming. So when allowed to move freely, what happens here is that chickens start to forage for additional food like grass, clover, seeds. This reduces their reliance on supplemental feeding and gives them a variety of nutritional natural diet, which improves the nutritional quality of their eggs as well. And free range chicken, these are healthier, these are going to be less stressed, leading to better egg production. And in terms of the egg quality, the eggs that are from free range chicken often have a more richer, darker yolk due to their diverse diets, which includes natural sources of carotenoids as well. Now, in terms of how often a chicken lay eggs, a single hen can lay up to 300 eggs a year, which makes them an incredible productive member of the garden. Proper nutrition is also important for maintaining this output as well, specifically when it comes to two nutrients, protein and calcium. So protein from grains, scraps, insects directly impact egg production, ensuring consistent laying. We've also got calcium as well. You can supplement their diet with crushed oyster shells or eggshells to provide calcium for strong eggshells as well. Now, in terms of their manure, how can you turn this waste into gold? Even chicken waste plays an important role in sustainable farming. Chicken manure is high in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, making it absolutely incredible natural fertilizer for crops. You can go ahead and compost that. You can collect it, compost it, age it to eliminate pathogens and balance nutrient levels before being applied to the soil. Now, this fertilizer also enhances the soil's fertility. It promotes healthier and more productive garden as well. They're also considered like the garden's heroes as well, because they're much more important than just producing eggs. They're pest controllers, they're recyclers, and they're soil enrichers as well. Now, by feeding them with grains, with scraps, the owners or the carers create a sustainable system that benefits the entire garden. Now, fun fact, chickens aren't just utilitarian, they're also entertaining. Their quirky behavior, their squabbles over food, their determined bug hunts as well. All this adds life